morning, children. Today we are going to start Unit 4 Human Resource Management. From that, Chapter 10 Recruitment Method. In this lesson, we will discuss meaning and definition of recruitment process, source of recruitment, recent trends in recruitment. What do you mean by the term recruitment? Recruitment is nothing but a process of finding suitable person for various posts in an organization. It encourages people to apply for a job. After receiving the applications from different eligible people, the organization scrutinizes the applications. Now, the organizations shortlist the application so received for the purpose of selection. Definition. According to Edwin B. Flippo, it is a process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating and encouraging them to apply for jobs in an organization. Reason behind recruitment. There are different reasons why vacancy arise, and they are retirement of an employee, death of an employee, resignation of job by an employee, disablement of an employee, dismissal of an employee. Recruitment process. Recruitment process include the following steps: planning recruitment, determining vacancies, identifying the source, drafting information for advertisement, selecting the suitable mode of advertisement, facilitating selection process, evaluation and control. Recruitment, internal and external. Source of recruitment is classified into two. One is internal, another one is external. Under the internal, transfer, promotion, upgrading, demotion, retired employees, retrenched employees, dependent and relatives of deceased employees. External, press advertisement, educational institutes, placement agencies or outsourcing, employment exchanges, labor contractors, unsolicited applicant, employee referrals, recruitment at factory gate. Internal source, transfer. It is very simple way of recruitment. Surplus employees from one department are transferred to defect department. It takes place internally, so it is internal source of recruitment. Promotion. Promotion means uplifting the existing employees to a higher position. Based on the seniority, promotion takes place. When a promotion takes place, the employees will remain in the organization for a fairly long period. Upgrading. Employees appraisal is called upgrading. Through upgrading, employees are shifted from lower position to higher position. Demotion. It takes place when an employee's performance is very poor. Here, the employees are moved from higher position to lower position. Recommendation by existing employees. An employee of an organization is given an opportunity to bring his family members or relative or reliable friend to be recruited in the organization. Job rotation. An employee is trained to perform more than one job. This enables the employee to familiarize with all kind of job. He performs different kind of jobs on rotation. Retention. The retiring employees may be retained by the management. This extension after the retiring date is called as superannuation. Retired employees. calling back the retired employees to fill up the vacancy. Since these employees have required qualification and experience, management may call back to fill the vacancy. Dependence. The legal hire of deceased employee may be recruited. Previous applicant. The previous applicants are those who have applied for any job in the past. His name appeared in the database but he was not given appointment. Now he can be utilized. Acquisition and merger. The organization may buy another business unit as acquisition. The organization may merge with another business as merger. Internal source direct advertisement. In this type, the employer advertises in newspaper, journal, etc. He informs about the vacancies in the organization. Here, the detailed information about the job, qualification and experience required, salary offered, how and within what date the candidate has to apply is printed. Unsolicited applicants. Even before the company notifies about the vacancies, the job seekers apply for the post. Walk-ins. Applicant can walk in for interview. They should possess the required qualifications. Campus requirement. The organization visits reputed educational institutions to identify and recruit suitable candidates. Recruitment at factory gate. Unskilled employees can be recruited by this method. They are paid wages on hourly or daily basis. Rival firm. This method is also called as poaching. Efficient employees of rival firms are attracted towards the organization by offering attractive salary and perks. Example, chartered accountants, salesmen, etc. E-recruitment. When recruitment takes place online, it is called as e-recruitment. Applicants who are dynamic and living in some other countries can be recruited. It is the most inevitable source of recruitment. Indirect source. Employee referral. Existing employee may refer their relatives or friends suitable for existing vacancies. Referral will be considered on the basis of the employee's credentials. Employment exchange. Recruitment of government employees are done through employment exchange. Required information is available through database for both the employer and job seekers. Private employment agencies. These are similar to government employment exchange, but the ownership is in the hands of private parties. It connects both the employer and the job seeker by providing required information. Employment consultancies. These are the firm which provides recruitment on behalf of client companies. They charge for the work done. Data relating to the executive are provided. For this service, they charge consultation fees called as recruitment process outsourcing. Professional association. Organization that require candidates with technical knowledge approach these association. Example, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, the Indian Medical Association, etc. Deputation. A person who is already an employee can be deputed to complete a specific job. It may be a short time recruitment. Word of mouth. Information relating to the job seekers is collected through reputed person. Such reputed person pass on the message about the vacancies to the people they know. Labor contractors. Organizations recruit unskilled and manual laborers through these contractors. Job portals. Using internet job portals, organizations can find prospective candidates to fill up their vacancies. Recent trends in recruitment. Following are the recent recruitment. Following are the recent recruitment methods. Outsourcing. Outsourcing firms are engaged in such recruitment process. They screen the applications and select right person for the job. Recruitment process outsourcing. Recruitment understanding, advertise and source, screening, validation, profile submission, interview process and feedback, selection and follow up. Poaching. Employees of competitive companies are hired. Such employees are paid high salary. They are also provided non-financial benefits. It is also called as raiding. Thank you, children. In this lesson, we discussed meaning and definition of recruitment, recruitment process, source of recruitment, recent trends in recruitment. Please learn that relevant question answer. Have a nice day.